When you're not face-to-face, it can be difficult to see eye to eye. With virtual collaboration, nearly half of remote participants feel disconnected when not in the meeting room. PanaCast 50 bridges that digital divide to reinvent your meeting experience. For a natural and like you're there feel that makes hybrid working work. Our intelligent Zoom uses a complete 180-degree field of view and dynamic framing to see and include everyone in the room and their big ideas. For less, sorry, who said that? And more, yeah, I like that. Our virtual director uses a powerful 8-microphone array to detect and track the active speaker for a cinematic feel that follows the natural flow, keeping the team connected and engaged. Our dynamic composition uses powerful AI capabilities to generate close-ups of those in the meeting room for a collaboration experience that's truly face-to-face, where everyone feels equal and like they're in the same room, even when they're not. Our built-in whiteboard content camera streams whiteboard content and the team in the meeting at the same time, giving them a front row seat from any seat. So teams perform like they're together, even when they're working from anywhere. This is collaboration in the age of hybrid working. This is video conferencing reinvented. This is Jabra PanaCast 50.